Hi viewers, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to looking at how to derive the formula using the formula method of resolving quadratic equation. I remember in our previous video where we talk about quadratic equation in detail, I made a promise that I'm going to teach you how to derive the formula using the formula method. Now, what was the formula? Can you remember? It was s equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4a or ac all over what 2a. Now this formula is derived from the general format of a quadratic equation using the completing square method. I remember in our previous class we talked about completing square method of resolving a quadratic equation in details. So that is the knowledge we are going to apply in this place to solve the word to derive this formula. So remember the general format of a quadratic equation: as squared plus what bs plus what plus c equals to 0, isn't it? So now this is what we are going to use to derive this formula. So now what does completing square method say? Completing square method, the first step we are going to take is divide both sides by what? Divide through by a. True or false? When you divide through by a will cancel a. We are left with what? We are starting derivation now. We are left with what? S squared plus b over as plus what? C over a equals to what? Equals to 0. Now what is the next step? Remember the next step, you will take this constant to the other side, right? So we will have what? S squared plus b over as equals to minus c over what? Minus c over a. Now what is the next step of the completing square method? Remember, I will add to both sides the half of the coefficient of s. So what is the half of the coefficient of s here? It is b over a divided by what? 2. So if you understand mathematics very well, we can write this into be b over a divided by 2, which is the same thing as b over a times 1 over 2, which will now give us b over what? 2a. So we are going to square the square. So this is what we are going to add to both sides. So adding to both sides, we will be obtaining something of this nature: s squared plus b over as plus, remember we add b over 2a all squared equals to now minus c over a plus b over 2a or 2a squared. Now remember the next step from this point, you will continue to simplify the right hand side so you have a single term, right? So now let's continue. Now what is the LCM of a and 2a? The LCM is 2a, right? So now 2a going to 2a is 2 times minus c is minus 2c. Are you together? Oh, sorry, you have not gotten there, please. Now let's expand this. Expand this. Now we are going to have minus c over a plus b squared all over 4a squared. True or false? True. Now we will continue. Remember, we will bring this s squared plus b over as plus b over 2a all squared. Now we have s squared plus b over as plus b over 2a all squared. Now what is the LCM of 4a squared and a? Now you agree with me that the LCM is, okay, let's derive it together. We are going to be having 4a squared and a. What is common? A here we have 4a1. We can still go with 4 here is what? A1. A here is what? 1. So the LCM of this is what? 4a squared, right? So now the LCM is what? 4a squared. Now a going to 4a squared will give us what? 4a. 4a times minus c is equal to minus 4ac. Now we have plus 4a squared going to 4a squared is 1 times this will give us what? Plus what? B squared. Now remember, from this way we have succeeded in making this a simple fraction, right? Now what is our next step? We'll pick out the squared item in the left hand side and equate it to the right hand side. So we are having s squared plus bracket open b over 2a all squared equals to minus 4ac plus what? B squared all over what? 4a squared. Now continue. We have s plus b over 2a all squared equals to now minus 4ac plus b squared all 4a squared. All together. Now from there we will continue. Permit me to clean everything in this part. When we continue, we will take the square root of both sides. Remember that in our previous video say in this part, at this junction, when you take the square root of both sides, remember to put your plus minus, right? So that we have just did that. So this square root is cancel this square. You are left with s plus b all over what? All over 2a equals to plus minus. Now square root, we have square root minus 4ac plus b squared all over 4a squared all together. Now let's continue. Now of course you know that there's nothing we can do to this numerator, but we can do something to this denominator. Now we can ask that s plus b over 2a equals to plus minus the square root of minus 4ac plus b squared all over 2a, because square root of 4 is 2, square root of a squared is what? A. Now at this point we take this to the other side. Remember, when you are taking it to the other side, you don't put it here, you put it between the equality sign and the plus or minus. So half s equals to minus b over 2a plus minus root minus 4ac plus b whole square all over what? 2a. Now what's the LCM of 2a and 2a? Of course you agree with me that the LCM is what? The LCM is 2a. All together, the LCM is what? The LCM is 2a. So half s equals to LCM is 2a. Of course you can see. Now 2 going to 2a is 1. 1 times minus b is what? Minus b. Now remember, have our plus minus. 2 going to 2a is 1. 1 times this, we have root minus 4ac plus what? Plus b squared. So we are almost there. Now you can see that we are almost there. Just for us to rearrange what is inside the bracket. Now most times it's always advisable whenever you are writing mathematical statement. Let's have minus 2s plus 6 plus s equals to 0. It's always advisable for the positive to begin the statement. So I can wish to write this to be s minus 2s plus what? 6 equals to 0. So with that idea, let's rewrite what is inside the square root. When we write what is inside the square root, we will have s is equals to minus b plus minus bracket open b squared minus 4ac all over what? All over 2a. So this is how we derived the formula used in the formula method of resolving a quadratic equation. So if we just made this video without meeting our previous video where we started this topic quadratic equation, please do us a favor to subscribe to our channel, like and follow, then search for the previous lesson titled All You Need a Quadratic Equation Part 1. Quadratic Equation Part 1. So in that video we talk about a lot of things, like what is a quadratic equation. We talk about how to obtain a quadratic equation from a given root. We talk about making a quadratic equation in perfect square, and the various methods of resolving quadratic equation apart from the graphical method. That will make our part 2 of the lesson. So you can also check in the description below. You will see the link of the video. You click on it and watch. Do not just keep the knowledge to yourself, share to your friends, and so that this video or this platform will be accessible to a lot of people, and tell your friends more about us. So bye till our next video.